Hi guys, I haven't seen you in the longest time, but I'm going to do a get ready with me now. So I need to pull this back a little bit. Right, so I'm going to my parents' house today. We're starting off with our Fenty Beauty Instant Retouch Concealer in Pro Filter, and it's shade 170. How are you all? Assalamu alaikum, sisters and brothers. We're using my airbrush Flawless Brush Company brush to blend out the concealer. This is the nicest concealer I've ever tried. It's so nice and natural, but it's really good quality as well. Okay, then we're going to use our foundation, which is also Fenty Beauty in Pro Filter Soft Matte 160. 3 pumps of that. This is the foundation here. You can buy it in Harvey Nichols and Dundrum. I don't know where else sell Fenty. I don't think Baron Thomas sell Fenty, but Harvey Nichols do. My son is watching Paw Patrol, and we're going down to my family's house today in Kildare. I live in Dublin, as you all know. I'm sacrificing this hijab. Black is easy to wash, so it's fine. Okay. Now look at the foundation, isn't it lovely? I think it's beautiful. Then we're going to use our Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder Foundation in 160 also. They match the foundation, which is so amazing. Get a good bit of that. Okay. Put it back in the bag. My brushes are a little bit wet still. And then we go in with our Fenty Beauty Sunstalker Shady Biz 02 bronzer. The brush is a bit wet, as I said, so don't use a wet brush. Then we use our Fenty Beauty How Many Carats Diamond Bomb highlight. Looks like this. It's a white color with a bit of blue undertones. Then we use our Go-Go Tint by Benefit. Blend that in with your hand. I recommend all these products. My brushes are Sosu, and they're rose gold. I'm sure you can buy them in the Sosu shop in Dundrum, and they're Sosu rose gold brushes. Okay, then we're going to do our brows with the Morphe M158 brush and the Morphe, one second, Latte Brow Cream. Shade Latte Brow Cream. This is the best eyebrow brush I have ever used. I used to use the Benefit one, but now I use only Morphe. Little mirror. Where's the tissue, Hassan?
Tissue.
Where?
Tissue.
Then you use the brush again with the mascara type spoolie to brush them out. These are some of my new products. So this one is new, the Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder Foundation in shade 160. Then we do our mascara. This is just a natural look we're going for today. I'm using the Benefit They're Real mascara. I don't like to do it on the bottom lash because it just falls down during the day. Then we're using our Kylie Cosmetics lip kit in shade Kylie. The lip liner is a nice brown pink shade. And this is the lipstick. Kylie it's called. Shukran. This is the look. It's a really simple natural beauty look.
I got a piece. The piece is very cheap. Like this, like this.
Here's Hassan jumping in on my video to talk. What are you saying? Yeah. We're doing no eyeshadow today because we're not in the mood for that. This is eyeshadow, Hassan.
Huh?
Eyeshadow. Eyeshadow. No. So that's the look for today. The lipstick looks a bit overdrawn and you just have to fix it at the edges, but it's a very good lipstick as you can see. Like, just fix it along here.